fresh juice has become a popular part of a healthy lifestyle, and today we're taking a closer look at the CENTEK CT-1209, a centrifugal juicer designed to make juice preparation quick, simple, and convenient. The first thing that stands out is its modern black design. It looks stylish on the kitchen counter and combines practicality with a clean, contemporary appearance. But looks are only part of the story. The CENTEK CT-1209 uses centrifugal extraction technology, which means it operates at high speed to quickly separate juice from fruits and vegetables. This makes it an excellent choice for busy mornings when you want a fresh drink without spending too much time in the kitchen. One of the biggest advantages of this type of juicer is speed. Simply prepare your ingredients, feed them into the machine, and within seconds you'll have a glass of fresh juice ready to enjoy. Apples, oranges, carrots, and many other ingredients can be processed efficiently, making it easy to create a variety of delicious combinations. The appliance is designed with user convenience in mind. Its controls are simple and intuitive, making it accessible even for people who have never used a juicer before. Cleaning and maintenance are also straightforward, helping you spend more time enjoying your juice and less time dealing with cleanup. For those looking to increase their daily intake of fruits and vegetables, this juicer can become a valuable addition to the kitchen. Fresh homemade juice allows you to experiment with flavors while controlling exactly what goes into your drink. Overall, the CENTEK CT-1209 delivers a great balance of speed, convenience, and performance. If you're searching for a practical juicer for everyday use, this model is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more appliance reviews and kitchen technology updates.